FX Empire reviews Orbex. Orbex is an online forex trading platform that was established in 2010. The firm is based out of Limassol in Cyprus, and they also have an office in Kuwait. However, the broker is regulated by the CSEC, the Cyprus Securities Exchange Commission, and they are also a CIF, a Cypriot investment firm, which means that they can offer their trading services across the whole of Europe. They give access to traders to currencies, precious metals, commodities, and also indice trading. They also have a wide selection of account types, some reasonably competitive spreads, and also a nice selection of trading tools plus resources too. In terms of leverage, this goes up to 1 to 500 for professional traders, and retail clients will have a leverage of up to 1 to 30, which is standard with the CSEC licensing. In terms of the markets on offer, as you can see in front of you, we've got Forex, we've got precious metals, energies, and also cash indices. And the trading platforms are built around the MT4, but there's a huge selection. So you've got the desktop, which is the download, the multi-terminal for money managers, the Android trader, the iPhone and iPad trader, and the Mac trader, plus the web trader too. You can open a real or a demo account with Orbex. But the most impressive thing, perhaps, is the availability of their TV, research, education, and so on. They really have done this very well because they offer a whole selection of updating technical analysis, fundamental analysis, webinars, and also their news TV, which keeps you updated on the markets. In terms of withdrawals and deposits, you can see the ways in which you can deposit and withdraw in front of you. And if you're a person that is interested in awards, you can see there are a whole selection of awards here. We'll be looking at some of the trading tools a little bit later, but I just really wanted to point out the fact that the company do have some amazing trading signals. We can't really speak for the success rate of them. They also have economic calendar and calculators and a trader's glossary too, and education for beginners in addition. So there's a few things to look at here. So first of all, there's the partners area, which is like the dashboard. And then you can log into, so first of all, there's the partners area, which is for affiliates and IBs. Then my Orbex, which is my dashboard where I can basically upload files to verify who I am, because of course this is a regulated broker. I can also download platform from here. I can fund account directly from the homepage of the website, and I can access the blog, which contains more articles. And just bear in mind that the website is available in a whole host of different languages. You can access live chat or make a phone call. You can access live chat or request a callback directly from the homepage of the website. Now let's take a look at the platform itself. So right now we're looking at the MetaTrader 4 for web. This is a stripped down version of the desktop, although it looks very, very similar and contains the majority of features. The only things it does not contain that we've come across are the electronic advisors. Now, this is a feature which is dedicated to the MT4 desktop, where you can upload files which you can program yourself, or you can take them from the QL5 website, which is the MetaTrader community, and these are to engage in automated trading. So once you've uploaded them, you can literally click on automate, and then your platform will trade on its own behalf until, of course, you stop it. So that's not available, and also hedging is not available on the web-based platform as well. So if you'd like to take a look at all of the symbols on offer, you can right click and click on show all. That will then populate the entire list so you can see all of the available assets here, looking at the spread on the euro dollar, so the difference between the bid and the ask price here, we're looking at, of course it is flexible and it's moving constantly. We're looking at less than 1 pip on the benchmark euro dollar. In order to place a trade here, then we can simply click on the euro dollar, and this will open the trading window where we'll select the volume we'd like to trade, any stop loss, take profit, leave a comment for ourselves for once we've opened the position, market execution for now or pending order for later, click on sell by market, buy by market, and then that literally opens a position, as you can see, successful, okay, that then appears at the bottom of the screen. So once you've got this position open, you can then close this by clicking on X, and if you accept one-click trading, then you can do it within 1 click. However, if you like to just confirm your trades, then of course you don't need to do that. And looking at the chart on the right side of the screen now, if we just right click on that, we can see that we can access the indicators list. We can change the type of chart, change the time frames here, and make other changes as we need to from here. These parameters are also available from the top of the screen. So for instance, if we'd like to take a look at some of the indicators available, simply click on the one you'd like and it will appear, or of course, insert the parameters of, so for instance, the Fibonacci retracement, and then select on the points you'd like to retrace, and then that will appear there too. So this is the charting features. And of course, we mentioned the bottom of the screen, we've got, of course, our open positions, our closed positions, our trading history, and our trading journal, if we wish to keep one. So this is the MT4 for web. And now I'm looking at the MT4 for the iPhone. So as you can see in front of you, there's a whole list of assets, and this also shows the spreads. I'm looking at the advanced mode, but you can of course look at the simple mode. And if you select any of these assets, you can then trade them, or you can take a look at the charts, or indeed look at the details of the symbol. So if you do look at the charts, you can see that you can add a crosshair, and you can use that within the chart. You can add your own indicators here, and you simply click on the ones you'd like to add, select the parameters, and that will then appear at the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, I've got a few different trend lines activated, and you can also add your own objects, so draw your own trend lines and so on. You can look at your trade window from here at the bottom, which shows you balance, margin and free margin, and also your trading history, plus you can change your settings from here too. And by the way, I should just add, in terms of your history, you can look at day, month and a custom view from there. So very simple to use. This is the MT4 for iPhone for Orbex. Before we go, I just want to point out the support available to you. You can click on the Contact Us page or engage in live chat, where you'll have your answer straight away to a whole host of questions. There's also FAQs if you don't wish to speak to somebody directly. Here are the offices, as we discussed earlier. You can call any of these numbers here or email them, of course, too, and you can subscribe for the newsletter if you'd like to stay on top of the markets. So this is a look at Orbex, whose slogan, serving traders responsibly. Well, as such a highly regulated company, we tend to agree. Enjoy trading with Orbex.